Well,
Hey,
hello,
rats.
girls.
Look what I have.
Oh, look at somebody smells something yummy. Look at her little claws.
Ooh. Is that good?
Look at her.
You like chicken, don't you? Mm-hmm. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Surprised. The one with his eyes shut.
Want some, Hero? Mmm. Yummy. Okay, you can have some too, Daphne. Darcy, Deirdre. You want the whole
This little
thing?
brown one down here, he's going like,
Oh, poor Miss Dolly. She's like, I want some, but I can't get to it.
Come on, Oh, thank you. You're not nibbling my finger. You're just licking my finger.
Why don't you hold it in the middle? Turn it like that.
Okay.
oh, look at, there's chicken.
Chicken. Good.
Yummy.
Look at their eyes closed. They're just like enjoying it so much.
Mm-hmm. Told you they like spicy stuff, too.
Little fat girl's determined to get that chunk off the end.
Mm-hmm.
Look at her eye. She's got one eye closed and one open like, ooh.
I know.
Ooh, that's
Kinda
hot, but it's
hot.
good. Come on upstairs, Dolly.
Okay, there's fingers there, ladies. There's a finger.
Yummy. Oh, we're gonna eat this up.
I think they'd fight over
Hey,
it.
Dolly, come over here.
Come here, Dolly. You want to try it?
Yes, I do. I'd like the whole thing. Thank you very much.
She's like really digging into their hind legs to try to pull it.
Mm-hmm.
Look at her.
Oh, man, look at her jaw on that.
Hey, Mike.
Bring us more.
Go down the hall to him, Marilyn. Ooh, who squeaked? I'll just go get one. Get a whole one. That would be even funnier.
Oh, Lord. But get the spicy one, not the Jamaican one. They'd like, oh, you got a piece, Dolly. Were you taking it in the house?
Ooh, oh my goodness. Somebody got a nice big chunk.
Gonna get some
And
more.
somebody's going to fight over it, probably. Look
What?
at the two.
What? Hi, Dolly. Do you want more? Was that good?
Here you go. Why is she in the house with the biggest hole?
Yummy. Yum. You don't care, huh? Don't care I pet you? Who wants more chicken? Oh, you heard that, didn't you? Who wants more chicken?
Did you know that